Welcome to your Spanish lesson. I'm so excited to help you expand your vocabulary today. Today, I'm in the bathroom. Baño. A very important room in any house. It's where we start and end our days, taking care of ourselves. Let's learn some useful words together, words that will help you describe everything you see and use in this space. Get ready to expand your knowledge. First, towel. Toalla. We use it to dry ourselves after a shower or bath. Repeat after me. Toalla. It's suave and absorbente. Next, bañera. A place to relax and soak. Repeat. Bañera. Imagine a warm, bubbly bath. This is a ducha, a quick and refreshing way to get clean. Repeat. Ducha. The water is running in the shower. Here's a lavabo. We wash our manos y nos cepillamos los dientes. Say it with me. Lavabo. El agua goes down the sink. Espejo. Nos miramos en el espejo. Repeat. Espejo. I see my reflection in the espejo. Inodoro. An essential part of the bathroom. Say it. Inodoro. El inodoro está limpio. Jabón. Pause. Usamos jabón para lavarnos las manos. Repeat. Jabón. Este jabón huele bueno. Cepillo de dientes. We use it to keep our teeth clean. Say. Cepillo de dientes. I need a new toothbrush. Pasta dental. La ponemos en nuestro cepillo de dientes. Repeat. Pasta dental. This toothpaste tastes minty. Now let's try using some of these words in simple sentences. This will help you remember them better. This is my toalla. It's soft and fluffy. Me cepillo los dientes con mi cepillo de dientes and pasta dental todas las mañanas. Me cavo las manos con agua y jabón. Me miro en el espejo para peinarme. Great job, you're doing so well. Let's review all the words we've learned today. Toalla. Bañera, ducha, lavabo, espejo, inodoro, jabón, cepillo de dientes, pasta dental. Fantastic! You've learned so many new words today. Keep practicing these words every day, and soon they'll become a natural part of your vocabulary. Thank you for learning with me. I hope you found this lesson helpful and enjoyable. See you next time. Keep up the great work.